Get ready for the dictation. Start. The brief, factual matrix that emanate from the records are that, a lady, by name Lalita Manohar, lodged a complaint against the petitioner herein, stating that the accused petitioner has developed friendship with her from 17th of November 2013, and they started loving each other full stop on persuasion of the petitioner, the complainant had also permitted him to have sexual relationship with her full stop. This particular aspect continued for a long full stop. It appears that, in spite of petitioner marrying some other lady in 2004, the relationship had been continued full stop. It is also stated in the complaint that, on coming to know the relationship of the petitioner and the complainant, in the year 2009, the petitioner's wife has filed a case against the petitioner and a lady, in bracket the complainant, bracket complete, consequently he was removed from the job, full stop. At that time, the complainant had, in fact, financially assisted and helped the petitioner on the ground that he had assured to marry her since 2003 itself, full stop. Therefore, she lodged a complaint alleging that the petitioner committed cheating and he violated the promise given to her, full stop. The basis of the said complaint, comma, police have registered a case in crime number 183 bar 2014 for the offences under section 417 and 420 of the Indian Penal Code, full stop. After thorough investigation, comma, the police have submitted a charge sheet for the offences under sections 417 and 420 of IPC, full stop, stop.